Gathered friends, listen again to our legend of the Bionicle. Hello everyone, it's Luis, and here on Amaja-Nui Tales, we will be learning about the different substances and powers that have transformed the world of Bionicle. Today, we'll be discovering more about Antidermis, the essence of the Makuta. Antidermis was the unique, greenish-black substance that made up the essence of all Makuta and Krata. It could exist in solid, liquid, and gaseous states, and was one of the few things in the Matoran universe not composed of protodermis. Originally made by the Great Beings, Antidermis was actually an accidental byproduct of the creation of protodermis. During the construction of the Matoran universe, the Great Beings placed a pool of Antidermis on one of its southern islands. From this pool of strange, synthetic liquid, the Great Spirit Amaja-Nui formed all of the Makuta. Thousands of years later, the solid Antidermis that made up their flesh and armour simultaneously and spontaneously evolved into new forms. Their essence, now described as somewhere between energy and gas, granted the Makuta some new improved abilities, but also new vulnerabilities. The living Antidermis of the Makuta was known to be able to place exposed Matoran into a highly suggestible, enthralled state. Additionally, after their evolution, Makuta could now possess the bodies of some robots, and possess biomechanical beings, such as Toa, provided that it was not already occupied by an existing spirit. It was ultimately this unique property that allowed Makuta Pterodax to take over the Great Spirit robot's body, and thereby the whole Matoran universe. Although resilient, gaseous Antidermis could be destroyed by extreme heat, and extreme cold could cause it to crystallize, a process which would eventually kill the Makuta. Furthermore, being outside a container for too long would cause the Antidermis to diffuse. Although Makuta could literally hold themselves together in a cloud by sheer force of will, too much time without a body would result in their death. Furthermore, due to Antidermis' fundamental differences to protodermis, beings composed of it could not be revived on the Red Star. The slug-like Krata, which we used to both make and pilot Alarcon-Ramos, were made of solid, organic Antidermis, drawn out from the very essence of a Makuta. After the Makuta's Antidermis evolved, the Krata-making process became significantly more efficient. In the form of Krata, Antidermis could infect Kanohi masks, forcing their wearer to obey the originating Makuta's will. Antidermis, and by extension the Makuta, has been pivotal in many of the major events of the world of Bionicle. Due to its nature, Makuta Pterodax was able to escape being crushed after his duel with Nuva. The Paraka were able to enslave almost all the Makuta of Boyanui, and, most recently, Brutaka became empowered with a mysterious intelligence within the ancient pool of Antidermis left behind by the Great Beings.
If you'd like to see more tales, check out our channel and our videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is the way of the Bionicle.